Hey guys, welcome back and time for another video. So another little gem I got my hands on recently is the MagSafe Duo. So this charger was developed and made available late in 2020 in line with the iPhone 12, and as everyone suspects, it's kind of a replacement for the proposed AirPower charging mat that Apple had a lot of issues with and couldn't seem to get it past its final stages of development. So this charger is really convenient. I wanted this because I do travel for work a fair bit, and I just hate carrying heaps of cords and chargers around with me. And this is actually really neat to have sitting on your nightstand like I do. The charger contains the proprietary Apple Watch charger and a MagSafe charger, hence the name Duo. The build of it's really nice. As you can see, it comes in your typical Apple white. It kind of feels soft touch. It's kind of made out of the typical Apple silicon that you do find, and it does have a heap of magnets built into it, so it gives this really nice, satisfying snap when you open and close it. And overall, I think the design of it's really nice. So in the box, you get the standard Lightning to USB-C, but what you don't actually get is a charging brick. I do need to add that this charger is extremely expensive, and the cost of it is $199 Australian. So it is incredibly expensive. So definitely do your research before you splash out and purchase this charger. On Apple's website, it does specify that you can use different charging bricks. However, it is incompatible with the 30-watt charging brick. I read this on Apple's website recently. So I currently use the 20-watt USB-C charging brick from Apple, and I've also used the 18-watt charging brick as well. And the charging speeds isn't really too different on my estimations of my measurements. What I will say is that this device is specifically designed first and foremost for the Apple Watch and MagSafe. One thing to be careful about is if you are looking at purchasing this and you don't have an iPhone 12, you will find that it does charge very slow using Qi charging. So it does support Qi charging, so obviously not only can you charge a phone if it supports wireless charging, but you can also charge your AirPods, which is incredibly convenient. But it is extremely slow. So this table basically summarizes the tests that I've been running on chargers just around the house, just with an app that I've downloaded, and these are the results that it basically showed. And as you can see, the MagSafe Duo features very low. I will give it the benefit of the doubt and say because it's designed specifically for the iPhone 12, it's probably going to charge a lot faster, but it's just one thing to be mindful of if you are looking at purchasing this device. Like I said, I use this charger to juice up my AirPods, and as you can assume, the battery in the AirPods is quite small, so I found that it does charge the AirPods pretty quickly. That's just because the capacity is just really small. And if you are charging your phone overnight, which most people do, it's not really an issue to use wireless charging. And in fact, there's a lot of evidence out there now that suggests that if you use wireless charging, and because it charges slower than your standard plug-in chargers, it's actually better for the battery. So that's a plus. So that's been it, guys. It's a pretty basic video today. I hope you found it informative. And as always, if you do like it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscription if you wish. And I will catch you guys in my next video.